Thank you for your time. My name is Betula, and this is Food for Thought. There's something I'd like to read to you. There's nothing outside of yourself that can ever enable you to get better, stronger, richer, quicker, or smarter. Everything is within. Everything exists. Seek nothing outside of yourself. Miyamoto Musashi. Our focus must transcend ideas of race, tribe, class, nation. We require a world perspective, a species focus, oneness. The quintessential make of the cosmos or universe is unity and oneness. Get it somehow, anyhow. Live accordingly, or remain as you are and die a dumbass. Your choice, douche-bags. Ishavardas. Spirituality eventually must make you free, especially from your own fancied godmen isms. If it does not, you're pissing up the wrong tree. Ishavardas. Fear is not real. Mastering fear is the challenge. Danger, however, is very real. Please do not confuse the two. In the end, love will be what saves us all. Be yourself, no matter what. Some will adore you and some will hate you. And they will hate everything about you. Who cares? It's your life. Live it. A person desires to achieve the apex of his or her own potentiality. Kilroy J. Oldster. The true profession of a man is to find his way to himself. Herman Hesse. Truth is not a matter of personal viewpoint. Vernon Howard. You either get bitter or you get better. It's that simple. You either take what has been dealt to you and allow it to make you a better person, or you allow it to tear you down. The choice does not belong to fate. It belongs to you. Josh Shipp. A man who is not afraid is not aggressive. A man who has no sense of fear of any kind is really a free, peaceful man. Jadua Krishnamurti. The fool doth think he is wise, but the wise man knows himself to be a fool. William Shakespeare. Spend your life doing strange things with weird people. The only way forward is inward. Abhijit Naskar. The ultimate aim of the martial arts is not having to use them. Miyamoto Musashi. Humanity has yet to become human. So the human must become humanity. Abhijit Naskar. Remember, the breath walking, as with any meditation technique, should not be pursued with a grim determination to get it right. The point is to cultivate openness, relaxation, and awareness, which can include awareness of your undisciplined, wandering mind. Andrew Weil. Thank you for your time.